Hello, my name is Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and today we're going to talk about an important tip, the delete command. And it allows you to delete any word or anywhere in your document. So we're just going to go ahead and quick jump into it, and I'll show you exactly how to use it. First, we have to start up by waking up the microphone. Wake up, delete point, delete everywhere, delete simply, delete appears. 3. Stop listening. So as you see, I could very easily find a word anywhere in the text that's right in front of me, and I could delete it just by saying delete followed by the word. As you saw, in one case, a list of numbers came up. That means that the delete showed up more than once. So all you have to do is choose the number next to the word that you want to be deleted, and you're done. So once again, I am Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro. And if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel and get updates and more tips, you can do that right on this page. Or if you're interested in learning quickly and effectively how to start using Dragon Naturally Speaking, you can visit my website and take a look at the details on my e-course. We will see you on the next video where you can get plenty more tips.